Hi everyone, and welcome to TDA Insurance. My name is Dan Diederich, and I will be giving you a message from our agency regarding the Michigan Auto Insurance No-Fault Reform. Some of the changes of the reform went into place when it was signed June 11th of 2019. Some of the changes will take place of July 2nd of 2020. We want to make sure that you are prepared as a consumer to make the decisions that you have to face in front of you in July. But first, let's go over the changes that went into place in June of last year. One of the biggest changes was to the order of priority. Now personal injury protection coverage will now only stem to the named insured and resident relatives of their household. Now this changes the exposure for unmarried couples who might be on the same policy, or for people like me who are an adult child who are driving their parents' car but no longer live in their household. Now, people like me would need their own policy to get personal injury protection coverage. Now, the other part of the law that went back into place in June of 2019 was the change to the liability exposure, where you used to not be able to sue for unreimbursed medical damages in the event of an auto accident. Now you can. This increases the liability exposure for Michigan drivers tenfold, and is why the state is increasing their default liability limits from 20,000, 40,000 split limits to 250, 500,000 split limits. Now, starting in July 2nd of 2020, if you opt into anything lower than the 250, 500,000 bodily injury liability limits, you will have to sign a state-mandated form. It is also important to raise your un- and underinsured motorist coverage when raising your bodily injury liability limits. This coverage is for when people do not have insurance or the adequate limits to pay for your loss if you are injured in an auto accident. Now for the personal injury protection medical coverage, or PIP medical coverage, you will have 6 different choices as a consumer. Option 1 is to keep your unlimited benefits. This is what we have always had, and you will still see a $100 decrease per vehicle for the drop of the MCCA fee. Option 2 is to go to $500,000 lifetime benefits. Here you will see a complete drop of the MCCA fee, as well as some more drop in the PIP medical portion of your coverage premium. Option 3, similar to option 2, is dropping it to $250,000 lifetime benefit. You will also see the drop of the MCCA fee and more help on the PIP medical coverage premium. Option 4 are for those who completely want to opt out of their auto insurance medical benefits. To do option 4, you have to have what is called a qualified health plan. In order to qualify as a qualified health plan, you have to have a letter from your health insurance company saying that they will coordinate in the event of an auto accident, as well as have a yearly deductible less than $6,000. Option 5 is for those who are Medicaid. Here you will have a $50,000 lifetime limit for your PIP medical coverage. Option 6 is for those who are on Medicare, and if you do this option, it is similar to option 4, where you are completely opting out of all of your auto insurance medical benefits. Now option 4 and 6 scare us the most, because you are relying on your health insurance coverage to provide all of the things you would need if you were injured in the event of an auto accident. Most health insurance policies don't cover important coverages such as attendant care, custodial care, or home and vehicle modifications. Now these events don't happen often, but if they happen to you, you want to make sure that you and your family are covered properly. So I please urge you to choose wisely and don't just pick price over coverage. Now we know everyone's situation is unique, but at TDA we are recommending for most of our clients that they keep their unlimited medical benefits under Choice 1 and also increase their liability limits to at least the $250,000-$500,000 state defaulted limits. Now for our clients with a lot of assets, we are recommending they add an umbrella policy as well. For any questions or more resources, we have set up a page on our website at www.tdanow.com/Michigan Auto Reform. You can visit there or give us our office a call at 877-832-6690, and we would love to talk through the new law with you. Thank you for listening in, and like I said, please visit our website or give us a call for any more questions. And remember, it's always a great day at TDA.